Well, here we are again, folks. We've now restored these fireplaces in our workshops, and if you recall earlier in the video we showed you them coming into the company in a poor state of repair, needing restoration, and here's one that we restored. I'll just take you around so you can see what they now look like. The nice Georgian mantle there. And then of course we've got this beautiful classic Gothic, if you remember, all missing its grate and everything. We've now brought that back to its lovely former glory. And if you remember this poor sad fellow here, all the moulding and everything was broken in this corner. We've now repaired that and matched it in, so you'd be a good person to try and find where the repair has been carried out. And these fires now are going to be refitted. This particular customer is going to have bioethanol fires in them, so that's going to bring the house back to its former glory. So if any of you want any fireplaces restoring, we can do it for you, or look on our website and see all the restored fireplaces that are all ready for you to purchase from us. That's britonsheritage.co.uk. Thank you very much.